The 2017 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power sunroof, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.